Hello, sweet friend. I I'm feeling pretty good this morning. It's Tuesday. I worked last night until 11 p.m. So I was actually up until at least 1:30. Just trying to get everything settled down. But yeah, I've got plans today. I'm going to one of the big problems that I have in my house is organization, and I'm going to tackle my clothes and get those sorted better so that I can wear them better. Like, instead of wearing the same 5 things because they're on top of the pile, you know. So that was my goal today. And then I have discovered that my dear sweet son has invited, he's cooking. Originally, we were going to have tacos tonight, just our core family, which is me and my husband, my son, and then the 3 kids, his son, and then our 2. So that was taco night. Well, then I guess he decided to invite a few friends, 3 adult men, which is fine. They're part of his Bible study that he does. But now I have to clean my kitchen and dining room up for company. Yeah, wasn't really planning on doing that today. I wanted to just get my clothing situation done, but it is what it is. Hopefully it won't take me too long to get it cleaned up. Let's see here. It's going to be 76 degrees today and 36 degrees tomorrow. I looked at it. We're supposed to get warmer. Colder. Cold. I don't know. Hope it doesn't freeze, because then that could do damage to a lot of things that have started to sprout already. I don't think there's really much of anything else. Oh, I've got to go get the tubs that I'm going to use. I like to have my stuff out in the open. I don't like dressers. I never have. I'd rather have it, for some reason, I prefer to have it piled up. So what I'm going to do is get a tub for each type of clothing. I've got these stackable, they're large. They're meant for a garage. They're large stackable bins that are kind of open. I put a picture in, I will. I got those to see how that works. And I have a chair in my room that everything's piled on. You know how the chair, it could have been a treadmill, but I had grand designs of having a chair in my bedroom that I would sit at and read, but quickly became like my clothing pile. I'm going to get rid of the chair, and I'm reorganizing that space, so I better get at it. I don't have my bins, so I got to go get those around lunchtime, which is fine because I still have to take Christopher his lunch. I can't forget to do that. Oh, look at my hair. I don't know how I got it to look like that. I really like it like that because it pulls the white more through. You can you see the colors? I don't know if you can or not. I don't know how I got it like that. I'm hoping that I can recreate it again because I really like it. And it's secure. It's not going anywhere. So, anyway, if I can figure out how I did it and duplicate it, that would be amazing. All right, well, I am on my way to be productive today. At the moment, I don't feel like I'm going to need a nap. I hope that's true. We'll see. We will see. I love you. I pray that you are productive today. I pray that you are happy and excited about the potential of the day. I pray for you, dear friend, that the Lord blesses you as He intended. And I pray that His will would be done in all things, in all ways, in all places, at all times. In Jesus' name. Love you, friend. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.